So what I've got today is a Shimano Deore LX 8-speed shifter, RapidFire shifter from the early 90s. And like most of the early 90s shifters, this one's not working. You can see that I can get it to go up partially, but it should click 7 times, and it's not. It's partially going up, but it seems to be firing the other way. So a lot of people will just toss these and buy aftermarket parts to replace them, but they're actually really easy to fix, so I thought I'd do a video today to show you how to fix them. Nice. So inside you can see there's the Shimano date code. They use the 2-digit or 2-letter code from 76 up until 2003, and it looks like this one is UI, which would be 96 September, I think. So definitely an aftermarket part on the bike that I got it from, because the bike I got it from was built in 1993. On the inside, it looks kind of intimidating, but it's really not. And we can see, again, it's only shifting part way. One of the things I'm noticing in here is that there's what's left of a cable in here. And that's interesting because there's no end on this side. So I'm going to have to get that out somehow, especially considering it should come out this hole right here, and it's all the way over here. So that's not normal. I don't think I can force that out either. So we're going to have to figure that one out. We'll probably have to disassemble this a little bit further to get that out. There we go. And you can see that cable that seems to be wrapped around. Let's see if maybe that's the problem. That's it. I think we got this one fixed up. So I got off really lucky here. It's just a piece of cable that was jammed in there that seemed to be causing all the problems. Normally what happens with these is you get these pawls right here, and there's usually another one right here, and they usually get gunked up, and so they're not very quick. In fact, this one's a little bit gunked up. It should be going back a lot faster than that. So when you're ratcheting, they should spring pretty fast, but the grease over the years kind of gunks them up, and inside here you can see it's pretty dirty, so I'm actually going to clean this up a little bit. So some WD-40, just give it a good spray down, let it dissolve some of that old stuff, and then work it through a couple times. And that's working even better than it was before. And it is literally that easy to fix one of these old RapidFire shifters up. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Cheers.